We're all waiting for the stocks to open because right now U.S. stocks crash into a bear market and more challenging days could be ahead. The Federal Reserve expected to increase interest rates as soon as tomorrow.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Suzanin is in the newsroom with the latest details on this. And Roger, economists are now warning that we should brace for a recession.
Yeah, that's right. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but experts say we are now facing what they call a triple threat to our finances, which has made it difficult for many Americans just to get by. Americans might not be smiling about Monday's closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange. These numbers for the S&P 500 signal a bear market. That means the index has dipped at least 20% below its most recent high. Investors are worried about the Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow.
My sense is they'll raise rates a half a point. That's what they've been signaling to us for quite some time.
The reason is inflation. It's hurting more than just the markets.
We're seeing a lot of families come back to the pantry that may have not been using the pantry recently.
We decided not to make any money from gas, so it's going to be a little easy for them. They can save some money.
The White House says it's watching the situation closely.
The way that we see this is that the American people are well positioned to face these challenges because of the economic historic gains that we have made under this president.
Financial advisors remind investors not to panic.
If it's your 401k money and you're putting money away that you don't need for 10 or more years, then, these are the things you actually want to have happen. You want to have a 20 or 25 or maybe even a 30% correction into a recession.
Other analysts are hoping for an economic sweet spot.
But I think the Fed has a decent chance, a reasonable chance of achieving what Jay Powell calls a softish landing, either no recession or a very mild recession to bring inflation down.
And perhaps it's no surprise that the values of cryptocurrencies have also been plummeting. We'll have more on that issue a little bit later this hour. Live in the newsroom this morning, I'm Roger Suzanin, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, thanks, Roger. Now